Welcome to the Novus ERP tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and post a manual customer receipt in Novus ERP. A manual customer receipt is used when you receive money directly into your bank, cash, or credit card account without selecting an existing customer invoice. This is commonly used for advance receipts, customer deposits, miscellaneous income, or any other receipt that is not linked to a sales invoice. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create, review, post, print, and manage a manual customer receipt. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to Accounting. In the left navigation panel, under the Cash and Bank section, click Customer Receipts. The Customer Receipts screen opens and displays all previously created customer receipts. Click Register Payment to create a new customer receipt. Choose Manual Receipt without customer invoice. Use this option when you are receiving a standalone payment that is not linked to an existing customer invoice. Examples include customer advance, payment security deposits, received miscellaneous income membership or registration fees, other direct receipts. Select the customer or payer from whom you are receiving the payment. If you have not yet created the customer, please watch the customer configuration tutorial before continuing. Enter the receipt date. This is the accounting date on which the payment is received and is used for financial reports, bank reconciliation, and transaction history. Select the journal into which the payment will be received. Examples include bank journal, cash journal, credit card journal. The selected journal determines which financial account will be debited when the receipt is posted. Choose the bank, cash, or credit card account into which the payment will be received. In many cases, this account is filled automatically based on the selected journal. Enter a payment reference such as receipt number, bank transfer reference, check number, transaction ID. This makes the receipt easier to identify later. If your organization uses bank import or reconciliation files, select the appropriate bank format if required. Otherwise, this field can be left blank. In the credit lines section, record the purpose of the receipt. For each line, select the appropriate account, such as customer advances, unearned revenue, other income, or another account defined by your organization's accounting policy. Enter a meaningful description. If your organization uses analytic accounting, select the appropriate analytic account. If your organization uses budgeting, select the appropriate budget segment. If applicable, select the appropriate tax. Enter the amount. If you need to record multiple accounts in a single receipt, click Add Line and enter additional credit lines. The total of all credit lines must equal the total receipt amount. If applicable, select the appropriate withholding tax. In some countries, customers deduct withholding tax from the payment and remit it directly to the tax authority on behalf of the supplier, according to local tax regulations. If your organization does not use withholding tax, simply leave this field blank. After entering all the required information, carefully review the receipt details. Click Save. The receipt is saved with the status draft. A draft receipt can still be edited before it is posted. If the receipt has never been posted, you can permanently remove it by clicking Delete. Once deleted, the receipt cannot be recovered. When you are ready to finalize the receipt, click Post. Once posted, Novus ERP creates the accounting journal entry. The receipt status changes from draft to posted. The receipt is officially recorded in the accounting system. During posting, Novus ERP generally debits the selected bank, cash, or credit card account, credits the accounts entered in the credit lines, records withholding tax receivable if withholding tax has been applied. After posting, click the More button in the upper right corner of the screen. Depending on your configuration, you can print the receipt, save it as a PDF, export it in CSV format, generate a receipt report, export bank reconciliation files. If configured, if your browser blocks pop-ups, allow pop-ups before printing. If changes are required after posting, click Cancel to reverse the receipt, subject to your organization's workflow and user permissions. If available, click Reset to draft to make corrections and post the receipt again. If your organization allows it, you may also edit the receipt directly by clicking Edit. Please note that receipts which have already been posted generally cannot be deleted. Instead, they should be cancelled or reset according to your organization's accounting policy. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a manual customer receipt without a customer invoice. Select the customer, receipt date, journal, and receipt account. Enter one or more credit lines. Apply taxes and withholding tax when required. Save the receipt as a draft. Delete a draft receipt that has never been posted. Post the receipt to create the accounting entry. Print or export the receipt after posting. Cancel, reset, or edit the receipt when permitted. You have now successfully learned how to create and post a manual customer receipt in Novus ERP. Using manual customer receipts allows organizations to record advance receipts, customer deposits, miscellaneous income, and other standalone receipts while maintaining accurate accounting records, keeping cash and bank balances up to date, supporting effective cash flow management, and ensuring complete financial transparency. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you understand the complete manual customer receipt process in Novus ERP. See you in the next tutorial.